Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of laboratory tools, specifically the pellets pressing die set. This equipment is crucial in preparing high-density samples for analysis like X-ray diffraction (XRD) or other material characterization techniques. Let's first take a look at the components of a standard pellets pressing die set. These typically include die body, where the material is pressed. Upper punch, this compresses the material from above. Lower punch, holds the material from the bottom. Pellet ejector, to remove the pellet easily after compression. Pressing sample holder, a cylindrical mold where the powder is placed. These components work together to create uniform, compact pellets, typically for solid-state material analysis. Specifications of pellet press die sets. Brand, SKNMT. Cavity diameter, 5/10/13 of a millimeter, circular. Rectangular cavity size, LW, 5 by 5, 5 by 10, 10 by 15 millimeters. Core height, 40 to 45 millimeters. Die sleeve, plunger rod, 2x spacers. Base plate, aluminium release ring with cutout for viewing pellet during release. Demonstration. Now, let's prepare our sample. We're using a fine powder of sample material, which will be pressed into a pellet. First, ensure the powder is evenly distributed in the pressing sample holder for optimal results. Pressing the pellet, demonstration with hydraulic press. Once the powder is loaded into the die, we assemble the upper and lower punches. Next, we place the entire die set into a hydraulic press, where the actual compression happens. Here, we're applying a pressure of X tons. The pressure required will vary depending on the material you're working with. You can hold this pressure for about 30 seconds to ensure proper densification. Ejecting the pellet, demonstration. After pressing, it's time to remove the pellet. We use the ejector tool to carefully push the pellet out of the die set. Here's our final pellet. Whether you're working in material science, chemistry, or physics, the pellets pressing die set is an essential tool for sample preparation. To get the best results, always ensure your die set is clean and well lubricated before each use. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lab equipment tutorials. See you in the next video. Contact us.